Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I will be showing you how to make a chicken omelette at home. It's a very simple recipe, perfect for breakfast or even as a snack. I hope you like this video and I hope you even try it out. Very simple ingredients are needed and here are some of them. I used a half bunch of dania, I used a half capsicum, 1 tomato, I used a total of 3 eggs, and also I used chicken pieces. You can use however much you need, and I used chicken masala to season the chicken. And I'm going to start off by seasoning the chicken. Add as much as you can depending on the amount of chicken that you're using, and then you're going to give that a good mix. And after that, I really wanted to have that garlic taste in the chicken, so I had to cook with garlic oil. But if you do not have garlic oil, you can just fry some crushed garlic before adding in the chicken pieces. So add in the chicken pieces, then give that a mix, allowing it to cook evenly on both sides. Just be sure to keep turning to ensure that the chicken pieces are fully cooked. And after mixing, you can even cover it for some time until they are cooked. Mine were cooked until they became crunchy. I almost forgot. They almost burnt, but they were ready anyways. Moving on to the next step, take a large bowl and now start mixing the ingredients. I added 1 egg, so in total I used 3 eggs. Add them in there and then mix using a whisk. And also at this point now you can season with your favorite spices. You can use black pepper, you can add salt, you can add whatever other spices that you like, and then you're going to give this a good mix. So after that, now add in the chicken pieces and then cut the veggies that you would like to add to your omelette, and then add all the veggies there. And also I forgot to mention, but you can add a red onion here if you've got one at hand. Just then give it a good mix. You can make it as complicated as you want it, you can make it less complicated. Whatever you've got at hand, just use that. And after mixing, now it's time to heat up like 1 tablespoon of cooking oil onto a pan on medium flame, and then allow it just to warm. And after it's warm, now add the egg mixture. Allow the egg mixture to cook on the lower side, but first ensure that all the veggies are well spread, ensuring that they lay flat on the eggs, just to ensure that they do not lie on each other, so that some pieces do not remain uncooked. And after spreading, you're just going to leave the omelette to cook on its own fast on the first side without having to even disturb it. It's a very quick recipe, you guys. Once the lower side is cooked, now turn to the other side. Yeah, mine was a bit difficult to turn to the other side with the spatula, so I had to just use a sufuria lid, but just use whatever you've got at hand. If it's easier for you to turn using a spatula, just use that. And now cook on the other side, and after that the omelette will be ready. This omelette recipe is perfect for breakfast, for snacking, and I hope you tried this recipe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to cut the omelette just so that you can see how well it's cooked on both sides, looking so colorful, so delicious. And thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you so much for your continued support, you guys, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.